Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set alarm in Samsung. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy phone and you want to set alarm on your Samsung Galaxy device, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do to set alarm in Samsung is go ahead and open the clock app. Once you open the clock app, then you should see all your alarms here. Once you selected alarms, and if you do not have any alarm set up, you should see add alarm. Otherwise, click on the plus icon at top right. Then come here and set your alarm. So select the time. Once you selected the time, come here and give your alarm a name. Then select where you want your alarm to beep you. So once you selected that, scroll down, click on alarm sound, and then select ringtone. Once you select the ringtone, come here and select your alarm sound. So once you selected the alarm sound, use this volume button to reduce or increase the alarm sound. Then hit the back button. Now once you hit the back button again. Then scroll down. You can change your alarm background if you wish. Then go ahead and click on save. Then you should see your alarm set, and then you're good to go. So that's basically how to set alarm in Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.